Good morning. It's a beautiful Thursday morning at it's holiday para sa akin sa work ko. Kasi it's passing day today. I'm actually working Pasig. My wife and my panganay is already in school and in the office. The little girlie is still sleeping in the room. So magkape muna tayo. I'll share you the rest of the day. Okay, so dati ma-brewed coffee ako, no? Bilang ako ay isang practical na tao, at gusto ko lahat ay yung bagay mabilis. Lumipat na lang ako sa usual Nescafe and sukal at kape. So every morning I do iced coffee, no? So nagsawa siguro ako sa mainit na kape. So my plans for today are to get things from Dylan's school. Yung mga gamit niya for school ay ready na. Tapos, probably let's get a haircut. We're going swimming with the Pakinggan family this coming weekend. So, overdue na rin yung itsura ko, no? Tenmoso, yung balbas at bigote at buhok ay napabayaan na. Kailangan na i-trim. Since lumipat kami dito sa, sa bagong bahay, wala pa ako nahahanap na barbershop na maayos. May nakita ako dun sa malapit dito pero it's not the best. Pero pwede na. Before kasi, when we were still in Imus, we got this local barbershop near the area. Gagaling! It's called Taglio Classico, no? Doon kami papagupit ng panganay ko, si Kuya Habito. Doon kami nagpapa-trim kasi kuha yung gupit eh. But now we transferred. It's still at my choice to go there sometimes sa Taglio Classico, but hindi na siya practical. No? So kailangan ko na maghanap ng barbershop na medyo malapit na maayos at para kami ni Javi may mabilis na mapuntahan for grooming. So mamaya hanap tayo. Mainit na yung tubig, nag-steam na. So yung usual routine naman, ever since nagpasukan si Javi at lumipat kami dito, no? So my wife wakes up at 5. She takes care of Javi in the morning. Before, sobrang morning person ko. Ako nag-aasikaso kay Kuya and everything else. So 5:30 pa lang before gising na ako. But now, since my work, kailangan ako lumipat ng shift to the mid shift, the EMEA, which is 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Sobrang nagbago yung body clock ko, no? Yung usual gising ko dati na 5:30, nag-adjust siya to 9. Kahit anong gawin ko ngayon, hirap ako na gumising ng maaga. Yeah, my wife, hindi siya morning person, but she has no choice. Kasi wala mag-aasikaso kay Kuya. Yun, she's been doing it ever since pumasok si Javi Tot and mukhang naka-adjust na naman siya, no? Yun, so pagkatapos ng ayusin niya si Javi, ano na siya? Ayos na rin for breakfast. Nagigising ako, wala na silang dalawa. Pumasok na, no? So si Bengay na lang yung nandito. Nag-ayos na rin sa umaga. So naiiwan kami ni Dylan sa morning. Wala pa kasing pasok si Dylan. Kaya hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nag-a-adjust yung routine namin sa kanya. Pero once, I think she's going to school ng July 13, if I'm not mistaken. Bagong routine na naman sa aming mag-anak. No? But yeah, we'll see about that. I'll just get my coffee. I'll be back. Okay, so, ayun nga. Coffee tayo. So, yun yung routine ko every morning. Pagising ko, nagpasukan na ang mag-ina ko. No? So naiiwan kami ni Dylan dito. Today and the usual day is hintayin ka lang na si Dylan magising. Tapos breakfast kaming dalawa. And then, yun. So I guess the rest of the day, first plan is to get Dylan's stuff from the school. Groom myself after that. Hopefully, I'll show you how it works out. So, yun nga, no? So, medyo numinipis na yung buhok ko. Sobrang dilemma sa akin siya. Pero hindi naman siya big deal sa akin. Kasi honestly, nasa genes namin yung medyo kalbuhin. Pinangarap ko magkaroon ng buhok ni Thor dati, no? Pero hindi ko siya na-achieve. Kasi impatient ako, lagi ko pinapaputol. But sabi ko, when I reached the point na nilipis na siya, I will let go. Maliit na bagay. Confident enough to bald myself. Pero mukhang hindi pa naman siya kailangan ikalbo ngayon. Nagsimula siya, lumipis, feeling ko na I lost some of my hair. Medyo nag-boost yung pagka-baldness, some of it. Nung nag-shift ako sa work ng time. So medyo stressful din kasi yung work ko. I'm in the creative industry. I work for a B2B company now. So we produce B2B stuff. Medyo demanding yung work. Been in the industry for almost more than 10 years now. And my wife too is in the advertising industry. Isa siyang media senior manager, if I'm not mistaken, or head, I'm not sure. Walang kwentang asawa. Kasi ang dami niyang roles na tinalunan, no? Established na si Vanessa sa industry. No? Dami na siyang kilalang network and everyone else sa networks outside. She's been doing it for more than I don't know what, but sobrang husay niyang sa kanyang craft, no, and profession. So wala akong masabi. Kataon, and I had a good opportunity to work at home since 2018. After noon, nung nagkaroon ako ng opportunity to work at home noong 2018, hindi na ako nag-jump back sa office. Ang dami ko na rin tinalunan, pero lahat yun ay hybrid setup. Ngayon pa na may mga chikiting akong inaalagaan sa office. Sa bahay. Hindi ko na muna naisip bumalik sa on-site. Daming opportunity nag-reach out, daming opportunity to pop out to work back on-site na magandang company and everything else. Pero hindi ko muna siya na-prioritize ngayon kasi nga, I guess I'll wait for the Dylan hanggat kaya niya ng mag-school bus or what. Kasi si Kuya kaya yan eh. Autopilot na siya. At yun, hi! There's my kid. She's awake. Yeah! See? Kamukha ko eh, no? She's very, 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 very energetic agad in the morning. You want breakfast? Okay. We'll get breakfast. I'll get back to you later. Let's continue the kwentuhan later. I'll just feed this little girl. Say bye-bye. Not bye-bye. See you later. Ayun, so apple ang napili niyang almusal. So she's trying to be healthy, honestly. But I'm trying to push my family to be healthy, honestly. Well, mabalik ako doon sa kwento. I've been doing this work from home thing ever since 2018. Feeling ko hindi ko pa siya ma-let go habang bata pa yung mga bata. And yeah, I'll just look for opportunities when I'm able to. So pag malaki na siguro sila or kaya na nilang pumasok ako sa office, then I'll do it. But for now, they need me, I'm here. Tanong nyo, bakit hindi si Vanessa, ano? So that's the old thinking, man. If your wife wants to work, she wants to achieve something in her life, do it. Stop with the old thinking na dapat nasa bahay ang babae. I'm a house husband, honestly. And I'm a professional too, same time. Yun lang, yun yung kanya-kanya naming role at kanya-kanya naming capabilities. You know? So I can multitask the house and I have the opportunity to work at home as well. I lead a team of creatives in my work. My Vanessa works, she does work too. She's the head of media for a certain company out there. I'm not gonna mention what, but it's big. I guess it's the old thinking na dapat nasa bahay ang babae at ang lalaki ay nagtatrabaho. If you have a different setup, that's fine. But what's important is, ikaw bilang lalaki, dapat marunong ka din. Kasi yun yung tinuturo sa mga anak ko. No? Kailangan marunong kayo sa buhay paglaki nyo para hindi kayo talo, hindi kayo lost, hindi kayo mangangapa. Lalo na pa nagkapamilya na kayo. Well, technically, mahabang vision pa naman yung pagpapamilya para sa mga bata. But what I'm trying to teach them is, you have to take care of yourself. Kasi hindi kami habang buhay nandito. What I'm trying to equip them right now, habang bata pa sila, habang nasa molding age pa sila, habang sila ay natuturuan pa, I'm trying to teach them values, practices na mapapakinabangan nila pag nag-fly away na sila out of there. Because honestly, the world will not be fair to you. Diba? So hindi ka kakaawaan ng mundo and you have to adapt to that. And that's what I'm trying to teach my kids. So, my Vanessa is a really career woman. I'm really proud of her. Sobrang galing niya sa craft niya and sa profession niya. And can't say anything more, but that's it. So, I love my craft too. But, yun nga, I have the opportunity to be in the house, guide the family that I'm trying to build. Like I said, kanya-kanyang role, kanya-kanyang setup. Pero, hindi masama na ikaw maiwan sa bahay. That's the old thinking. I think it's all of marriage is about supporting your partners and your dreams, no? So, kung ang asawa mo ay gusto magtrabaho at meron siyang profession, so let it be. Support her. Like I promised her, the day we got married, I'm gonna support you with all your dreams. Go up high, nasa lumipad ka. And I'll take care of you and the family. That's what I promised. And that's what I'm trying to do. Hanggang sa mamatay ako. But yeah, I'm gonna feed my kid. Here, baby. Hey, apples. Okay? Tie your hair, yeah? No, you have to. While you eat. Really? Beep, 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 beep. Wait. Sorry. Okay, go chow. Okay, I'll go now. Dylan, bye-bye. I'll see you later. I'll get your stuff, okay? Bang. Tinan mo na yung mga bata. Umiyak ka ba rin ba? Well, anyway, si Bengay ay ang aming guardian angel. So my wife and I are very happy to have her. She's been with us for, I don't know, more than a year now, I think. And honestly, kaya ko naman talaga ang bahay mag-isa. But since we're working, both my wife and I are working. Sobrang laking tulong ni Beng sa amin. Kasi nga, she takes care of the house, she takes care of the kids, and yun, walang sawang pasasalamat sa pag-aalaga sa amin, sa pamilya ko, Beng. At yun. Let's go! Alright, so first stop, I need to pick up stuff from Dylan's school, and then after that, probably, I'll go to a barbershop to groom myself. So, honestly, the vlogging thing, I will open this up. Ginawa ko lang siya kasi, you know, when you're a dad, gusto mo makapture lahat ng memories ng bata. Pwede mo na balikan, di ba? So dati, video recorder yun sa mga panahon natin ng mga tatay natin at nanay natin. So now we have the platforms to put everything in the cloud. Para paglaki nila, may mababalikan sila. Hindi ko naman siya gustong kumita. Pero syempre, kung mag-monetize siya, syempre mas okay yun, di ba? Been doing this thing, the vlogging thing, for quite some time now. Medyo mahirap magsimula nung una. Kasi parang, ano bang gusto mong gawin sa content mo? Naturally, it will go on. I mean, it will show off kung ano yung gusto mong, yung rhythm ng content mo. I'm still learning a lot of stuff, content creation-wise. Honestly, na-enjoy ko siya. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung pag-vlog. Hindi dahil kinakarir ko siya or what, but, you know, I just love doing it. I don't know. Tsaka, nakakatuwa na natutuwa yung mga anak ko, mga pamangkin ko, and the rest of the family pag napapanood nila ulit. So, yun, I hope dumami pa yung subscribers. So please subscribe if you can. Malay mo, monetize ko, edi okay. But yeah, consistency is the key. They say, no? Don't forget to enjoy the things you do habang ginagawa mo siya for a purpose. Alright, so we're here in Dylan's school. I'll just pick up some stuff and go to the barbershop straight. Co-working space sila habang naghihintay ka. Okay, so mission accomplished. Nakuha ko na ang uniform at stuff box ni Dylan. Bilis lang. Dylan, going to school in July. So we're done with Dylan's stuff. Going to get a haircut now. Okay, so meron akong nakita ang barbershop somewhere, mukhang okay. But actually my wife recommended that barbershop to me kasi nakita daw niyan mukhang medyo okay yung pwestuhan at itsura ng barbershop. But hopefully, okay nga ang gupit. Yun ang importante kasi meron ako dating barbershop na hindi ganun kaganda yung lugar niya, no? Pero galing gumupit, man. Let's see, let's see. Tagal na ba kayo? Nakikita ko to lagi pero ngayon lang nakabisita.
3 years na din po.
Tagal na. Oo bro, iiwan ko na sa'yo kung paano mo ako malilinis. Pagka bumitaw na lahat, kakalbuhin ko na eh. Pero meron pang kumakapit eh.
Meron pa. Tagal pa yan.
Laki binata ko at nice man.
Yung mga punong box.
Huwag na bro,
Hindi na.
naulan. Oh, yan na. Okay yung barbershop, no? So, parang laki ng nilinis ko. Ang laki ng inilinis ng mukha ko. So, Sir Pao, the barbero, na nag-asikaso sa akin, great job, man. Thank you. The barbershop is called The Finest Barber. So it's located somewhere Buhay na Tubig. I'll post their page here and their details. And okay, kasi lagi akong takot magpaayos ng balbas. Kasi merong mga barberong hindi talaga marunong mag-ayos. So hindi siya super pantay-pantay and hindi talaga magaling mag-clipper and everything else. But this guy is a good one. Kudos to you, man, Brother Pao. And yeah, that's it. Guys, see you in the next vlog.